Hey, Liam here, and today I'm going to take you through how you can analyze customer calls in Dovetail. So say I'm a designer. My focus is typically on three areas. 1, fast analysis. I want to talk to users and get insights to help us improve product usability. 2, discovering insights. Where can I use customer feedback to drive our product design decisions so that I can create the best experiences for them? And finally, driving alignment, getting buy-in from my stakeholders by gaining consensus on the top customer problems or needs. So when it comes to analyzing customer calls in Dovetail, it's important to note that you can actually determine the level of AI involvement in your analysis. Here at Dovetail, we're big believers in human in the loop, and this magic automation dialog box goes a long way to control your AI features. For example, I can either get Dovetail to automatically summarize calls for me, or I can decide to do this myself. Similarly, I can get Dovetail to automatically highlight key moments within a call, or I can do that myself. Alternatively, we actually provide you with the option for Dovetail to provide suggested highlights where you can either accept them or reject them. So when it comes to uploading a customer call in Dovetail, I want to call out that we've actually released a calendar integration, where I can now have all of my calls uploaded automatically into Dovetail once I've had a customer interview, instead of having to manually do this myself after each call. So let's jump into a call I had with Samuel. So you can see here that Dovetail has transcribed this video for me, and it automatically has generated a summary of the entire interview. So what we're going to do now is actually get Dovetail to find and elevate the key moments in this data so that I don't have to. Highlights allow you to elevate key moments in your data. So you can use Magic Highlight to suggest them automatically, or you can manually apply them yourself. If there's something in my data that I want to elevate and come back to or share with my team, I can hover over that and apply a highlight. So we can see that Dovetail has suggested highlights, where here I can either accept, I can reject, or I can tag. Now you don't need to apply a tag in Dovetail. You can have a highlight without a tag, but tags allow for that next level of categorization if you want it. Tags also work as prompts in Dovetail, so if you define the themes that you're looking for as your tags, that's going to actually help Magic Highlight suggest better themes for you and what you're looking for. So let's say I'm happy with these suggestions and I'm going to accept them all. They're now automatically attached to this file and video. One thing we can also do is we can actually view highlights only versions of the call we just had with our customer. So this makes it easier for your team to consume the key elements or key moments of the interviews you have with customers without them having to rewatch or go through tedious notes to get a better understanding of what you discussed. Here I can actually share this video out to my team. And what that will do, that will actually drive alignment like we spoke about at the beginning and bring customers to your team to validate what you're doing as a designer. I hope this has been helpful, and stay tuned for more videos of how you can elevate your experience in Dovetail.